Hey guys, what's up? This is you gaming and today I'm going to be playing some Will You Press the Button? It's a game that a lot of YouTubers are starting to play, so I thought I'd have a go. So, question is, you become internet you'll become internet famous, but you never make money from it. I'm not in the YouTube just to make money, so yes, I will push the button. Year 58 did not. And the bottom said, I don't know. It's a good question. You press the button. You can listen to any song ever created in your mind just by thinking about it, but you become deaf to anything in 50 yards radius. No, I'm not pressing the button. That's terrible. Oh, everything bad, every bad disease such as HIV, cancer will be gone forever, but everyone having such a disease at this moment will die. Ooh. See, at this moment no one close to me has any of that, so yeah, it's quite good. You can summon any food you want at any time, but there's one chance percent it will be poisoned. No, I will not push that button. You get to date any video game character you want, but everyone else in the video game will hate you. Damn yeah. That was a good question. So, this one. You will gain the ability to live for as long as you want, but every day you receive the worst beating of your life. No. That's stupid. Yeah. You'll become Doctor Who's companion, but your friends and family are put into mortal danger. It might even die. No. I care too much about my family. That's a good one, actually. Next one. Tropic comes back to life, but Jay-Z dies. I like Jay-Z. That's good. Next one. It loads. You become one of the most recognised artists in the world, but you get colour blindness. Ooh. Nah. No thanks. Gain the world, but lose your soul. No. That was terrible. Gain a limited amount of knowledge, but spend the rest of your life not relating to anyone. Feel lonely. No. That's a good question. Next one. The cure to a zombie virus is within you, but to harvest it you have to die in the process. Yes, if I have to die for Greater Mankind, I will. That's good. You can befriend any person or character in real fiction and they develop a crush with you. But they will never tell you. Yeah. I'd push that button on. It's a good question. You will be with a great, wonderful person, great lover, but you must agree in relationship to be open, which means your love will have sex with others. So can you? Yeah. It's basically cheating. But, yeah. Next one. We'll do a couple more then. Hyperspace travel becomes a reality and we start to colonize other planets and galaxies, but this invites mutant and new threats. No thanks. It's not bad. I'm just clicking to go fast. We'll do another two more. You automatically know the words of every song ever, but you cannot hold a pitch. Nah. Good choice. Yes. You become the most intelligent person alive, but your opinions and thoughts will always be disregarded if you... No. Right. You live in a world of your favourite video games or movies, but your ambition... Now, in this one, I would live in Eurotruck, but you are ambitious every year with a little chance of surviving. Now, if it's COD, yes, you die. Forest, you die. Eurotruck, unless you crash, then you don't die. But I would. But anyway, it's, a lot of people said did not. I said did. I'd be Harry Potter, the Jessica Dean, bottom there. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm looking at it on screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more, please let me know in the comments or hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.